How to connect SidraChain to Bitget Wallet. If you are still having problems connecting your SidraChain to MetaMask, in this video I'm going to show you the simplest method on how you can connect your SidraChain to Bitget Wallet. Please, Bitget Wallet, not Bitget Exchange. So the first thing to do is to come over to your Play Store. You have to search for Bitget Wallet. Search for Bitget Wallet. So this is my Bitget Wallet. You can see it here. It's different from Bitget Exchange. Mine need updates, but I'm not going to update it. Let's continue what we are doing. Once you download your Bitget Wallet, the next option is to tap on that Bitget Wallet. Once you open it, you are going to see this search box. This is Bitget Wallet. Click on this search, tap on it. You are now going to search for SidraChain.com. Search for it. Okay, now you are going to see visit link. Tap on this visit link. They are trying to tell you that you are redirecting to the third-party website. Click on confirm. Just give it time to redirect. Give it time, do not rush it. So this is the SidraChain. The same method on how to connect with MetaMask, that is the same method you are going to use to connect with Bitget Wallet. For those that are still having problem on connecting their wallet, you now click on this continue with KYC port. Tap on this, give it time. Now this is it. You can decide to try any of this login in method. You can try Google Chrome. You can try continue with passkey, but the one that is actually working is to sign in using your password. So you click on this arrow, tap on this arrow. You are now going to add your email address and password. This is what you need to do. Add your email address and password, then you continue. So you know your SidraChain email address and password. Make sure that this cloud file is showing success before you click on this sign in. Once you sign in, you are now going to be asked to do the Google Authenticator. Just go to your Google Authenticator app. If you don't have, I believe all of us know what is Google Authenticator app. This is Google Authenticator app. I'm not going to show it because I have my personal information there. So once you tap on this Google Authenticator app, you now go to the same email you have for your Sidra. Go there and copy the KYC port code. Once you copy the KYC port code, click on it and automatically you are going to log in to your Sidra using your Bitget wallet. And from there you click on connect wallet and they are going to ask you to redirect you to Bitget wallet. You have your Bitget wallet. Continue with that process and you're going to get it right. I'm also going to attach the video for the MetaMask wallet connection. So watch it if you found any problem along the line. Watch that MetaMask connection. It is still the same process. With MetaMask connection, it's still the same process with OKX wallet connection, Bitget wallet connection. All of them are the same thing. SafePal wallet connection, all of them are the same thing. The essence of doing this video is that many people are still on my DM that they can't connect, that they or using MetaMask, that the MetaMask keep on rotating keep on rotating, that is not giving them the opportunity to sign in and sign in to the signature to confirm the rightful ownership to the account. So watch that video and follow the same process and you're going to get it right. So that is it for this video. See you guys in my next video.